Hi everyone! Sa video ito, talakayin natin kung paano i-transform ang general equation to standard form ng equation of the circle. So, paano nga ba? Pero bago tayo magpatuloy, inaanyayahan kitang mag-subscribe sa aking channel at YouTube channel. Facebook page and YouTube channel. So, bago tayo magpatuloy doon, so dapat ma-unlock muna natin yung skills na factoring perfect square trinomial. So, okay, so paano natin gagawin na perfect square trinomial? Ang isang trinomial na to, no? Anong i-add natin? Gawin nating trinomial na kung saan ang trinomial na to ay magiging perfect square trinomial. Pag sinabi nating perfect square trinomial, ang factor kasi niyan ay binomial quantity squared. Okay? Square of binomial. Okay. So, x squared plus 4x plus blank. So, what are we going to add to make this perfect square trinomial? So, ang mangyayari lang dyan, i-divide lang natin ito sa 2. 4 divided by 2, that is 2. 2 squared, that is 4. So, ang i-add natin dito ay 4. Para ma-factor natin siya na x plus 2 quantity squared. So, paano naging ganito? Square root of x squared, that is x. Square root of 4, that is 2. So, since plus ang nandito, plus ang gagamitin. Okay? Next, y squared minus 6y plus blank. Anong i-add natin para maging perfect square trinomial? So, ang simple lang, kunin natin itong 6, i-divide natin sa 2, 6 divided by 2, that is 3. Tapos, i-square natin, 3 squared is equal to 9. So, 9 ang i-add natin. Para, ang factor niyan, square root ng y squared, that is y. Then, square root of 9, that is 3. So, kung minus ito, minus ang gagamitin natin. So, quantity squared. So, ganun lang siya kasimple. Last, a squared plus 8a plus blank. Anong i-add natin dito sa blank para maging perfect square trinomial siya? So, i-divide lang natin yung middle term ng 2. 8 over 2. 8 divided by 2, that is 4. 4 squared or 4 times 4, that is 16. So, 16 ang i-add natin. Then, pwede na nating i-factor na square root ng a squared, that is a plus square root ng 16, that is 4, quantity squared. So, ito na ang binomial factor natin. So, kailan nagiging plus? Kapag plus din ito. Minus kung minus din ito. Okay? So, ganun lang siya kasimple. So, i-apply natin yan dito sa general form to standard form. So, example number 1, x squared plus y squared plus 10x minus 14y plus 10 is equal to 0. So, we're going to transform this into standard form. Bakit gawing standard form? Kasi kapag standard form, mas madalas natin i-determine din ang center and the radius. So, paano yon? So, una, pagsasamahin muna natin yung mga magkakapamilya, x squared at saka 10x. So, dapat magpagtabihin natin to x squared plus 10x plus blank plus y squared minus 4y plus blank is equal to, itong 10 na to, ilipat natin doon. Magiging negative 10. So, since dalawa yung blank natin dito, magdadagdag tayo ng dalawang blank din sa kanan. Kasi kung ano yung ginawa natin dito sa left side ng equation, yun din ang gagawin natin sa right side ng equation para equal pa rin. Okay? Then, gawin na natin itong perfect square trinomial. Ano yung kalahati ng 10? Or 10 divided by 2? That is 5. I-square natin yan, yun ang i-add natin dito, 25. So, plus 25 din dito sa kanan. Next, 4. Negative 4. So, kung i-divide natin to sa 2, 2. 4 divided by 2, that is 2. 2 squared, 4. So, yan ang magiging uh, uh, i-add natin para maging perfect square trinomial dito. So, mag-a-add din tayo ng 4 dito sa kanan. So, kung isi-simplify natin to yung nandito sa kanan, negative 10 plus 25, that is 15. 15 plus 4, that is 9. Ay, 15 plus 4, 19, sorry. Okay? So, next. Dito naman sa kaliwa. Okay, so ito, ginawa nating perfect square trinomial. So, ifa-factor natin to, magiging x plus 5 quantity squared. So, in-apply natin yung kanina, di ba? So, square root of x squared, that is x. Square root of 25, that is 5. So, since plus ito, plus din to. Quantity squared. Next, dun naman tayo sa y. So, square root of y squared, that is y minus, kaya minus, square root of 4, that is 2. Quantity squared. So, ito na ang magiging factor neto. So, x plus 5 quantity squared plus y minus 2 quantity squared is equal to 19. So, kung i-determine natin yung center and radius, okay, center is negative 5, 2, and the radius, r squared is equal to 19. So, r squared is equal to 19. So, square root both side, r is equal to square root of 19. Pero kung hindi naman tinatanong, okay lang na ito na yung magiging sagot natin. Kasi kung ang instruction lang ay general to standard, ito lang magiging final answer. Sinama ko lang yung center and radius. Next, number 2. X squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 4y minus 3 is equal to 0. So una, pagsasamahin muna natin yung mga magkakapamilya. So meron tayong x squared minus 6x plus blank, okay? Then y squared plus 4y plus blank is equal to positive 3. So, ito pinagsama natin. Ito naman. Then, itong negative 3 magiging positive 3 na siya. So, plus blank, plus blank. So, dalawang blank dito, dalawang blank din ang ilagay natin sa kanan. So, what are we going to add to make this perfect square trinomial? So, 6, hatiin sa dalawa or divide into 2, that is 3. Then, square of 3 is 9. Here, half of 4 is 2. Okay, 4 divided by 2 is 2. Square 2, that is 4. So we add 9 and 4. So we add 9 and 4 also on the right side of our equation. Then factor now this. Okay, x squared minus 6x plus 9. So square root of x squared is x minus square root of 9 is 3. So we have x minus 3 quantity squared plus here square root of y squared, that is y, plus square root of 4, that is 2 quantity squared. So y plus 2 quantity squared is equal to 3 plus 9, that is 12. 12 plus 4, that is 16. So this is now the standard form of the equation. If we're going to determine the center, so center is, this is 3. Here is negative 2. And the radius is, so r squared is equal to 16. So square root r is equal to 4. Next, number 3. X squared plus y squared minus 2x minus 12y minus 12 is equal to 0. So, pagtabihin muna natin yung magkakapamilya. We have x squared minus 2x plus blank plus y squared minus 12y plus blank is equal to positive 12. So, negative 12 transform, it will become positive 12. So, plus blank, plus blank. Okay, so we have here x squared minus 2x, then y squared minus 12y, then equals to 12. So, let's make this a perfect square trinomial. So, 2 divided by 2, that is 1. 1 squared, is equivalent to 1. Here, this is 12. So 12 divided by 2, that is 6. 6 squared is equal to 36. So plus 1 plus 36. So we add 1 here and 36. We add 1 also and 36 on the right side of our equation. Then, this is now a perfect square trinomial, and that is equivalent to square root of x squared, that is x. Square root of 1 is 1. This is minus, so minus quantity squared. So we have x minus 1 quantity squared plus this one, that's factor. Okay, so square root of y squared, that is y, minus, so minus, square root of 36 is 6 quantity squared. Y minus 6 quantity squared is equal to 12 plus 1, 13. 13 plus 36, that is 49. 49. Okay, so this is now the standard form of the equation or the center radius form of the equation. So if you're going to determine the center here is center of the circle, that is 1 and positive 6. And the radius r squared is 49 or is equal to 7. Okay, last number 4. X squared plus y squared plus 8x plus 20y plus 6 is equal to 0. So let's um, write the equation into x squared plus 8x plus blank plus y squared plus 20y plus blank is equal to negative 6. So plus blank plus blank. Okay. So divide 8 by 2. So 8 divided by 2, that is 4. 4 squared, that is 16. Next, 20. 20 divided by 2, 10. 10 squared is 100. Okay, so plus 16 plus 100. So here, this will become 90. Negative 6 plus 16, that is 10. 10 plus 100, okay, it's 110. And then, factor now this. This will become x plus 4 quantity squared. So, square root of x squared is x. Square root of 16 is 4. This is plus, so this is plus. Quantity squared plus, factor this. We have y plus 1 plus 10 quantity squared. So this is square root of y squared is y. Square root of 100 is 10. So this is plus. So this is plus. Okay. So this is now the equation of the circle. X plus 4 quantity squared plus y plus 10 quantity squared is equal to 110. So this is the standard form of the given equation. So that's the way how are you going to transform general form to standard form or center radius form. So I hope you learned something. So please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and also my Facebook page. God bless to everyone.